Prepare elbow joint pipe fitting job according to their specifications. Introduction to elbow joint pipe. Elbow joints are used in piping systems to change the direction of flow. They are commonly available in 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees angles. Elbow pipe fitting and types. Types of elbow joints: 1. 45 degrees elbow, 2. 90 degrees elbow, 3. 180 degrees elbow, 4. Long radius versus short radius elbows. Materials used. Common materials for elbow joints include carbon steel, stainless steel, PVC, copper, brass. Tools and equipment required: 1. Pipe cutter, 2. Measuring tape, 3. Welding machine, 4. Grinder, 5. Pipe wrench. Step-by-step preparation process: 1. Measure and cut the pipe. 2. Clean the pipe ends. 3. Align the elbow joint. 4. Tack weld for positioning. 5. Final welding and finishing. Quality checks and specifications: 1. Check dimensions and angles. 2. Inspect weld quality. 3. Verify material compatibility. 4. Pressure and leakage tests. Safety precautions: 1. Wear PP, gloves, goggles, mask. 2. Ensure proper ventilation. 3. Handle hot materials carefully. 4. Follow standard welding procedures.